Deconditioning your not self is a crucial step towards personal growth and self-awareness. We can't just keep pushing past issues, unprocessed stuff, baggage, and traumas. We can't keep pushing those away. So, this deconditioning process involves letting go of old patterns, beliefs, and behaviors that no longer serve us. But there is a specific internal mechanism that's already in your blueprint that I help you initiate. And once you initiate it, it's self-directed. And so these are often the result of societal conditioning and past experiences that will shape our perception of ourselves and the world around us. But this is not written in stone. It's very possible to reprogram these. And identifying your not self behavior can be challenging, but there are some ways to get started. And you can get started right now by identifying these not self patterns or behaviors. And one way we can do this is to pay attention to how we feel in certain situations or with certain people. Because remember, other people's energies are affected by our energy. And so pay attention to that. Do you feel uncomfortable or uneasy? Or do you feel at home and at peace? So watch for these signs within your body that maybe could be a sign that you are acting from this space of what's called the not self. And so we can examine our beliefs and our values. And this is another way, if we are truly where we want to be, or if these beliefs and values were conditioned within us, given to us by someone else or some other authority or religious or ideology. It requires time to reflect on what feels authentic to you versus what may have been imprinted or imposed upon you. And this starts with awareness. And so once identified, deconditioning your not self, this requires conscious awareness and practice. So start by acknowledging these behaviors. Okay, here's this behavior that I do. When they arise, you become aware of them. Now I'm aware of them. Ask yourself if this behavior aligns with who you truly are, or if it's simply a conditioned response. And so reprogramming or replacing these old patterns with new ones, it does take time, patience, and repetition, but it's worth the effort in order to live more authentically within yourself, rather than living according to societal expectations or conditioned responses. And so hypnosis is a powerful tool for transformation. And this tool has been used for centuries to help people overcome limiting beliefs, limiting fears, negative thought patterns, to quit smoking, to lose weight. So it's a deep state of relaxation where the mind becomes highly receptive to positive suggestions and new ways of thinking. And this is important because one way hypnosis is so effective is that it allows us to bypass our conscious mind and access the subconscious directly. This is key because the subconscious mind holds our beliefs, memories, habits, and emotions, both positive and negative. And by accessing this part of ourself through hypnosis, we can reprogram our mind with new thoughts and new behaviors that serve us according to our design.